Hello everyone, welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a professional and winning career change resume. I'll explain what you should write in each part, and I'll include the full sample throughout, so you can follow along easily and confidently. So first, what exactly is a career change resume? A career change resume is a professional document designed for individuals who are transitioning from one field to another. Instead of focusing only on past job titles, this type of resume highlights transferable skills, relevant projects, certifications, and any experience that connects your previous work to your new career path. Employers understand that you may not have direct experience in the new field yet, but they are looking for proof that you have the skills, mindset, and effort needed to succeed. That's why your resume should clearly show your potential, adaptability, and ability to learn. Now let's break everything down step by step. Header and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. What should you write here? You always begin with your full name, Jessica Parker. This should be clear and easy to read, because it's the first thing employers will see. Make sure your name stands out at the top of your resume. Next, the address. 6284 Willow Bend Drive, Denver, CO 80203, United States. This helps employers understand your location. Then your phone number, 303-555-9182. This must be correct and active so recruiters can contact you. After that, your email, jessica.parker@email.com. Always use a professional email with your real name. Finally, your LinkedIn, linkedin.com/in/Jessica Parker. This shows professionalism and allows employers to learn more about your background. Tip: always double-check your contact details to avoid missing opportunities. Professional summary. Now let's move to the professional summary. Here is the full sample. Motivated professional transitioning into a data analyst role, bringing over 5 years of experience in customer service and operations. Strong analytical, problem-solving, and communication skills, with hands-on experience in data analysis through projects and training. Eager to apply transferable skills to deliver data-driven insights and support business decision-making. Now let's break this down sentence by sentence. The first sentence says, motivated professional transitioning into a data analyst role, bringing over 5 years of experience in customer service and operations. This clearly explains your career change and your background. It's very important to be transparent about your transition. The second sentence says, strong analytical, problem-solving, and communication skills, with hands-on experience in data analysis through projects and training. This connects your existing skills to your new career path. The final sentence says, eager to apply transferable skills to deliver data-driven insights and support business decision-making. This shows your goal and motivation. Tip: your summary is extremely important in a career change resume because it explains your story. Core skills. Now let's look at the core skills section. Here is the full sample: data analysis and interpretation, Microsoft Excel, pivot tables, VLOOKUP, SQL, basic, problem solving, communication skills, attention to detail, time management, reporting and documentation, team collaboration, adaptability. This section highlights both technical and transferable skills. For example, data analysis and interpretation shows your new career focus. Microsoft Excel shows practical technical ability. Problem solving and communication skills come from your previous experience. Adaptability is very important for career changers. Tip: mix both old and new skills to show your full value. Relevant experience. Now let's look at relevant experience. This is very important for career changers. Here is the full sample: data analysis projects. Analyzed sales datasets using Excel to identify trends and patterns. This shows practical data experience. Created reports and visualizations to present findings clearly. This highlights communication and technical skills. Practiced SQL queries to extract and analyze data. This shows technical learning. Built dashboards to track key performance metrics. This shows applied knowledge. This section proves that even without a formal job in the new field, you have relevant experience. Professional experience. Now we move to professional experience. Here is the full sample. Customer Service Supervisor. Peakline Services, Denver, Colorado. March 2020 to present. Managed a team of 10+ staff while tracking performance metrics. This shows leadership and data awareness. Analyzed customer feedback data to improve service quality. This connects your previous job to data analysis. Improved customer satisfaction scores by 20% through data-driven decisions. This is very strong because it shows measurable impact, prepared reports, and presented insights to management. This shows communication and reporting skills. Now the second role, Customer Service Representative. Bright Connect Solutions, Denver, Colorado. June 2018 to February 2020. Handled customer inquiries and resolved issues efficiently. This shows responsibility. Maintained accurate records and documentation. This shows attention to detail. Identified common issues and suggested process improvements. This shows analytical thinking. Developed strong communication and problem-solving skills. This highlights transferable skills. Tip: always connect your past experience to your new career whenever possible. Education. Now let's look at education. Here is the full sample. Bachelor of Arts in Communications, University of Colorado, Denver. Graduated 2017. This shows your academic background. Even if your degree is not directly related, it still shows discipline and knowledge. Certifications. Now let's look at certifications. Here is the full sample. Google Data Analytics Certificate, Microsoft Excel Certification. This section is very important for career changers because it shows effort and learning in your new field. Technical skills. Now let's look at technical skills. Here is the full sample. Microsoft Excel, SQL, Basic, Google Sheets, Tableau, Beginner. These tools support your transition into data analysis. Tip: be honest about your level and keep improving. Key achievements. Next is key achievements. Here is the full sample. Improved customer satisfaction by 20% using data insights. This shows impact. Successfully completed multiple data analysis projects. This shows effort and practice. Recognized for analytical thinking and problem-solving abilities. This adds credibility. This section helps you stand out. Languages. Finally, let's look at languages. Here is the full sample. English, fluent. Spanish, conversational. This shows your ability to communicate in different environments. Tip: always be honest about your level. So to recap, a strong career change resume should clearly explain your transition, highlight transferable skills, include relevant projects, show past experience in a strategic way, and demonstrate your effort to learn new skills. Remember, employers are not just hiring your past, they are hiring your potential. Make sure your resume clearly shows that you are ready for this new career path. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you on the next video.